ফের সাফল্য জাপান ক্যারাটে ইন্ডিয়ার ছাত্রীদের। একই সঙ্গে সাফল্য লরেটো ডে স্কুলের ছাত্রীদেরও। এই স্কুলের ছাত্রীরা বাংলার সম্মান গৌরব বাড়িয়ে ফিরলেন। কিছুদিন আগে অনুষ্ঠিত হল তৃতীয় মর্দানি স্পোর্টস ন্যাশনাল চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ। আর এই ইভেন্টের আয়োজক ছিল মহারাষ্ট্রের মর্দানি স্পোর্টস অ্যাসোসিয়েশন ও জলগাঁওয়ের মর্দানি স্পোর্টস অ্যাসোসিয়েশন। নারী শক্তিকে উন্নত এবং আত্মনির্ভরশীল করার লক্ষ্যেই এই ধরনের টুর্নামেন্ট অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। আর এই মার্শাল আর্টস যেমন আত্মরক্ষার কৌশল শেখায়, তেমন নারী শক্তিকে আত্মনির্ভরতা দেয়। আর এই টুর্নামেন্টেই জাপান ক্যারাটে ইন্ডিয়া এবং লরেটো ডে স্কুলের ছাত্রীরা বাংলাকে সম্মান এনে দিলেন। এই টুর্নামেন্টে মোট 17টি পদক পায় ছাত্রীরা। এর মধ্যে 5টি সোনা, 3টি রূপো ও 9টি ব্রোঞ্জের পদক রয়েছে। ছাত্রীদের সাফল্য প্রত্যাশিতভাবেই উচ্ছ্বসিত লরেটো ডে স্কুলের প্রধান শিক্ষিকা, যিনি কর্মকাণ্ডের মূল প্রাণপুরুষ। তিনি কি বললেন? পাশাপাশি যিনি কোচ, তিনি কি বললেন? এছাড়াও প্রধান শিক্ষিকা তিনি কি বললেন শোনাবো।
Last 30 years we are practicing with self-defense in different of the school. Right now we have on the more than 50 branches in Bengal and more than 20 renowned schools. We are just associate. So in coming program we have the workshop. Our national delegates will come from the national bodies, and there will be the Khelo India selection, South Asia Cup selection, which will be held in Goa and Bhutan. In our motive to be just go up with our children and make, and my ambition to be make completely self-defense, just like in Jhansi Ki Rani, Mary Kom, to each and every our girl childs, because we can see every morning to newspaper and television everywhere what thing is happening is going on. So we suppose that nowadays we are here, maybe once upon a time we will not here, but we give our the fully self-defense skill to our all girls students. They can protect themselves, they can fight themselves, they can freedom themselves, and they will be stamped their every new records in their life, and they will promote their society, parents, and represent their schools medals day by day, every day.
The competition was very nice, especially the strongest team over there as comparative to Bengal was Maharashtra, as Mardani Khel is originated from there, from the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's time. So it's natural that their team will be best. But this time even Bengal also gave a very nice competition to them. So each and every student, as we can see, won the gold, silver and bronze medal. So I'm very happy that the students over there went and they achieved over there.
For very, very happy. And I'm so proud of my children that they are doing very well. They have reached up to this stage where they can give fully themselves and to represent the school, that is what I'm very, very happy and feel very blessed to have them also.
You are providing all the facilities. So, what are the details? Can you just tell us?
Yes, first of all, as they come here in the school, we allow them to have different kinds of activities where they would like to do, what would you want to do, and according to what they feel and all, we help them and we provide the different activities. Like this karate association is here, and they do have a class every week, and then that is how also I could see their improvement, and they build up their confidence. That is what I feel happy to see them.
It's a part of women empowerment. So
True.
you are providing that.
Yeah.
What
Yeah, we Loreto believe in empowering women and girls especially, and our school is a girls' school.
Yes.
So we feel that we need to help women a lot at this time, and from this time when they are small, we want to mold them into that quality where they can come out, stand out, and because women are very much more not much of power at this time. So if we mold them from this time, bring the confidence and also that defense,
defense?
yeah, self-defense, that will help them so much, I believe.